Annyeonghaseyo. Welcome to my channel. Have you ever dreamed of effortlessly navigating the streets of Seoul, ordering a steaming bowl of bibimbap like a local, or finally understanding those K-dramas without subtitles? In this video, I'm sharing my top 7 tips to help you speak Korean with confidence. So grab your notebooks, get ready to learn, and let's embark on this exciting adventure together. Before you dive into vocabulary and grammar, let's lay a strong foundation with Hangul, the Korean alphabet. Think of it as a fun puzzle. Each character is formed by combining consonants and vowels in a systematic way. Once you grasp the basic principles, you'll be able to read and write Korean, which will do wonders for your pronunciation and overall fluency. Embrace the challenge, and you'll be amazed at how quickly you progress. Let's be honest, who doesn't love food? Korean cuisine is a feast for the senses, from the vibrant colors to the tantalizing aromas and the explosion of flavors. But did you know that it's also a fantastic tool for language learning? Exploring Korean food is like embarking on a cultural adventure. As you savor each bite, pay attention to the names of the dishes, ingredients, and cooking techniques. You'll be surprised at how much vocabulary you pick up naturally while enjoying yourself. Learning a language is all about communication, and there's no better way to improve your speaking skills than by practicing with native speakers. Thanks to the internet, finding a language partner is easier than ever. Connect with fellow language learners on platforms like HelloTalk or italki, or join online communities dedicated to Korean language exchange. Remember, every conversation is a step closer to fluency. Embrace the oops. Making mistakes is part of the process. One of the biggest obstacles to language learning is the fear of making mistakes. We've all been there, that heart-stopping moment when you stumble over a word or accidentally say something completely nonsensical. But here's the secret. Making mistakes is not only inevitable, it's actually essential for progress. Think of each mistake as a valuable learning opportunity. Embrace those oops moments, laugh at yourself, and use them as stepping stones to improve. The more you practice, the more confident you'll become, and the fewer mistakes you'll make naturally. Talk to yourself. Seriously. Practicing Korean. Anywhere, anytime. Make it a habit to speak Korean out loud, even when you're alone. Narrate your day, have imaginary conversations with yourself, or practice ordering your favorite Korean dishes. The possibilities are endless. It's a great way to build confidence and overcome any lingering shyness you might have about speaking in front of others. Bring Korea home. Creating an immersive environment. Immersion is key when it comes to language learning, and luckily, you don't need a plane ticket to experience the magic of Korea. With a little creativity, you can transform your everyday life into a Korean language wonderland. Start by surrounding yourself with Korean media. Binge-watch K-dramas and movies, groove to catchy K-pop tunes, and tune into Korean podcasts and radio stations. The more you immerse yourself in the language, the more natural it will feel. Plus, it's a fun and engaging way to stay motivated on your language learning journey. Consistency is key building a Korean learning routine. Learning a new language is a marathon, not a sprint. The key to success is consistency. Instead of cramming study sessions into your already busy schedule, try incorporating Korean learning into your daily routine. Set aside a specific time each day, even if it's just for 15 to 20 minutes. Consistency is far more effective than sporadic bursts of intense study. The key is to make it a sustainable part of your life. Start your Korean language adventure today. So there you have it, 7 powerful tips to help you speak Korean with confidence. What tip resonated with you the most? Are you excited to try out a Korean recipe or find a language partner? Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Happy learning and see you in the next video.